So in this problem, uh, what we are going to see. So actually, this is one of the university problem. Okay, uh, such problems were there earlier for 24 marks. After that, once when the paper was of 100 mark, okay, at that time such problems were asked for 24 to 30 marks, means almost 30% weightage of the problem was there for this. Nowadays, when paper was, now I am talking about online offline exam, when paper was of 70 marks, such problems were asked. One problem in each paper, it was asked for 14 mark earlier. Now, as it is a online exam, so we should know a simple component, front view, top view of a simple component. Okay, so what is speciality of this? So what, whether you are observing problem statement,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
what it is, who will read? Can anybody read? Problem statement. Only we have to read, nothing else. Who will read?
Draw the sectional FV and TV and LHSV of the following object.
Draw the sectional front view. FP means front view. Draw the sectional front view, top view, and left hand side view of the following objects. So object is given, it is in front of you, and we are supposed to draw its sectional front view, top view, and left hand side view. Okay. So in all the problems, whatever we have seen till now, so what was asked to draw? What we were supposed to draw? Only front view, top view, and side view. It may be side view, maybe left hand side view or right hand side view. Okay. So, but in this object, try to see this object very carefully. It is actually university problem, which carries almost 20% weightage from total mark. Almost 20% weightage. So, are you observing all dimensions?
Yes, sir.
So, what is speciality of this problem? So, in this problem, it is not only front view, top view, and side view is asked, but along with that, front view, top view, and side view. Along with that, what it is asked before that front view? Which
Sectional.
word is there? Sectional front view. Sectional front view means object is cut. Object is cut. CUT. Cut means kapne. Object is cut along a certain path. It is called as plane or center line. So are you observing A, capital A in this object? Capital
Yes,
A.
sir.
So you are observing. So here, if you are going to see my arrowhead. So here
Yes,
there is
sir.
one A, and another, that center line is passing up to the top. So here it is another. This is, it is called as cutting plane. It is called cutting plane, CP. It is called cutting planes. Along this plane, it is cut, and we are supposed to draw sectional front view. So basically, we have to know why the objects are cut. So we have discussed this also. Why section of object is taken? Very simple. So you might be knowing, maybe if you have studied biology. In biology, there was a one practical in biology called a dissection. Dissection or section, we can say. Why we were taking section? Even in science subject, you were taking section of flower, section of suppose some stem. You are studying internal details. So if object is complicated, why we are relating here? If object is complicated, so there are internal details, and to know the internal details, we are taking the section of object. Section means to cut. CUT. Are you getting? So very simple question may come in your mind: why section of object is necessary to take? What should be your answer? Why it is necessary to take section of object? का घ्यायचंय?
Internal details.
To know the internal details. To know the internal details is the simple answer or basic thing why we should take the section of object. So it may be taken uh, along symmetry, generally it is taken along the symmetry. Okay, symmetrical object. Along the symmetry line, generally section of object is taken. So with the starting of this problem, we should not think now section. What is this method? If at all sectional front view, sectional side view, maybe sectional top view, if at all it is asked, first step, we should not think about that section. Once our orthographic problem is over totally, at the end we have to take the section. Otherwise, it may be a real confusion. Which dark line will come, which dotted line will come, etc. Okay, so it may be just a confusion. So with the beginning, just we have to try to draw its front view, top view, and side view. As usual, for the given object, we have to draw its front view, top view, and side view. And at the end, we can try. At the end, we can try to take the section and to show changes will happen. Once object is cut, the changes will happen. That we have to remember. Once object is cut, many more changes are going to happen. So that we have to make at the end. Okay. So are you observing the object clearly?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you observing dimensions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have to first we have our task is to complete its orthographic projection. First task is to complete its orthographic projection. Okay. So as we discussed, what is our first step? To locate the origin. Okay. Which will be the origin of this object? So it is not given. I cannot write here also because it is an image. It is not drawn. It is an image I have taken. So first, what is criteria to locate the origin?
Lowermost point of the
Lowermost
object.
point.
Lowermost point.
Lowermost point. Okay, so this particular point. So I cannot show here my cursor. Okay, so lowermost means whatever the cylinder is there, horizontal cylinder. So it is the lowermost point of the object, that cylinder. Okay, so shall I show? After that, next question: which is the front view direction? Is it left or right? Which is the front view
Right.
direction?
Right.
Which direction? Why we are saying it is from the right? X direction. Okay, X direction is our always our front view direction. So from the right, once we are going to observe, it will be front view direction. That is okay. Next one. Now, most important thing is what? We have to calculate overall
Dimension.
dimension.
Dimensions.
Overall dimension. Are you able to imagine this object? How did imagine hotega? Try to see it very carefully. So there is one horizontal cylinder. It is a hollow cylinder. It is having one drilled hole. Are you getting? So it is having drilled. Galande, Sneha. So let us calculate overall dimension of this. Okay, overall dimensions. So which will be the length? What is definition of length? This will be last problem from the orthographic projection. So all concepts I am telling once again. So what is length? The dimension which we are going to observe horizontally from the front view.
Front view.
Okay. So what is length of this object? Huh? Is it possible for you to calculate length once you are going to see object from the front view? So which dimensions? Because it is not given directly. Yeah? Length is not given directly, but it is given indirectly. We have to add the some certain dimension. Are you
130.
130? How?
90 plus 40.
Which 90? Where is 90? So 590 you are saying that 90 or what? So always we have to read the dimensions either from the bottom. This is the basic rule in uh, drawing. Either we have to read the dimension from the bottom or right hand side, not from left hand side. For example, I will give simple example here. Is it at all? Suppose this is, or I will say only 6. This is 6. So suppose such dimension is given. So how much it is? If it is given in the certain dimension, हे किती आहे तुम्ही वाचणार याला? How much it is?
6.
6. This dimension will be 6. If at all you will read from the right hand side. If at all you will read from the right hand side. If you will read from the left hand side, how much it will become?
9.
9.
And
Become 9. But a basic rule in the dimension or basic rule in the drawing. Drawing मध्ये एक basic rule आहे. Either we have to read the dimensions from the bottom or right hand side. We should not read the dimension from left hand side. Left कडून dimension कधीही read करायचे नाहीत. So either we have to read from the bottom or right hand side. That you have to keep in mind. Okay, so otherwise this may go wrong. Problem. So length. So are you imagining object or I have to show this? I will show this object. This object is little complicated. So I will show here how it is. So this object is this. So here I have tried to draw that object. Okay, so there is one horizontal cylinder. How this object came? So there is one horizontal cylinder. Then rib. The triangular surface it is there. It is called the rib. Okay, RIB. RIB. Rib means it is a supporting part. It is called supporting part. Okay. So then this particular surface, angular surface, it is something like this. And what I have told in last lecture, whenever there are circular holes, slots, how much depth we have to take? किती depth घ्यायची आहे सांगितले, unless and until it is not mentioned how we have to take throughout. It is a throughout. So whatever horizontal cylinder it is there, it is this hole is also throughout. Similarly, so one hole at the top surface, it is also throughout. हे सुद्धा एक throughout आपण imagine करणार, unless and until it is measured. Okay, then are you imagining object? हे object आपल्याला front view, top view आणि side view काढायचं आहे. Are you imagining the middle part from where it is starting? Are you observing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So from the middle that part is starting. So in our actual position this object is something like this. हा असा object दिलेला आहे. So what we were supposed to draw? Front view. So front view is going to come something like this. हा front view मध्ये ते object असं दिसेल आपल्याला, something like this. Then we are supposed to draw its top view. Top view याचा काहीतरी असा दिसेल, something like this. That top view is going to come something like this. Okay, then which view we are supposed to draw? Left hand side view. In left hand side view it will look like this. The object is going to become something like this. Are you getting?
Yes.
So these views we are supposed to draw. A little complicated object. So let us start. What will be the length now? Tell me carefully. So which dimensions we have to add? Which dimensions we have to add? सांगा. लेंथ कॅल्क्युलेट करायची आहे. फ्रंट व्ह्यू डायरेक्शन, हॉरिझॉन्टल डायमेन्शन ऑब्झर्वड फ्रॉम द फ्रंट व्ह्यू. Which dimensions we have to add?
60.
60. It is a diameter. So diameter झाला. 560 is a diameter. So its radius we have to add. Radius plus
30.
कारण हा जो मिडलचा जो पार्ट आहे मिडलचा मिडल पासून एक्झॅक्ट मिडल पासून चालू झालेला आहे. दॅट्स वाय मिडल ऑफ और सेंटर ऑफ द सिलेंडर वी हॅव टू टेक फर्स्ट. सेंटर ऑफ द सिलेंडर मीन्स रेडियस प्लस प्लस 30 प्लस परत हॉरिझॉन्टल डायमेन्शन बघा फ्रंट व्ह्यू डायरेक्शन मधून 40 आहे का एक डायमेन्शन 40.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
ते 40 कुठपर्यंत आहे जो एक इथं व्हर्टिकल एक कोनिकल शेप आहे त्याच्या सेंटर पर्यंत 40 आहे बघा सेंटर लाईन दिसते. अप टू दॅट इट इज अ 40. करेक्ट. इथं ऑब्जेक्ट संपलं का अजून त्याच्या पाठीमागे आहे. स्टिल इट इज
आहे,
देअर
sir.
और स्टिल इट इज देअर. हाऊ मच इट इज देअर बिहाइंड दॅट. How much it is there behind also? Semicircle that radius we have to add. This 60 dimension, are you observing 60? Are you
Yes,
observing? My cursor is there 60. So that semicircle radius will be how much? Here there will be a semicircle, no? How much it will be? Its diameter is 60. So radius of that semicircle will be how much? 30.
30.
Yes, sir.
It will be 30. How much it is? Tell me now.
100.
100.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So it will be 100. So this length will be 100. So once again I will tell. So once again I will show this object because which two dimensions. So here you can see. So that middle part is starting from the middle of the cylinder. Middle of the cylinder. Okay. Then after that, from this particular edge, 40 center of this vertical part, and from that again this semicircular part. From this again this semicircular part, this back side, its radius is half of the 60 means 30. It will be 30. Okay. After that, so let us find which dimension we are supposed to find. Then length is over. Next one is what?
Width.
Width.
Width. How much it is? Opposite to length. It is the how much width is there for this object? Now for length we went towards right hand side. Now extreme dimension towards left hand side. Just the left hand side object किती आहे? Beyond that it is not there. Something
80.
80.
very good. 80. Very good. It is 80. Beyond 80 this object is not there. Beyond because the cylinder is the maximum dimension in the width side. सिलेंडरच्या बाहेर ऑब्जेक्ट आहे का? सिलेंडरच्या बाहेर you will see
No,
No,
sir.
is not there. It is not there. So dimension of this cylinder 80 is the final width of this object. So 80. Okay, now height. Width is very simple. 80. Directly it is given. What about its height? How to find? Now you have to concentrate on vertical dimensions.
96.
How come?
36 plus 20 plus 40.
Which 20?
Middle. Vertical.
So middle it is that in the it is included in that 36. That middle 20 is included in 36. So 36 मध्ये आलेलं आहे ते. It is there in that 36. मग सिलेंडरची हाईट किती आहे? सिलेंडरची हाईट प्लस मिडल पार्टची हाईट आणि टॉप पार्टची हाईट एवढ्या हाईट तुम्हाला ऍड करायचे. 3 हाईट कुठल्या? First one is horizontal cylinder, second one is middle part where there is a semicircle, and third part is topmost part, conical part. Like these 3 heights we have to add. एवढ्या 3 height add करावं लागतील. सिलेंडरची हाईट किती येणार? हाईट means its
60.
diameter. Height of cylinder is nothing but its diameter. How much it is?
60.
60. Then middle part height. Middle part height
36.
36.
36.
36.
it is 36. 36 plus third part, topmost part, its height. How much it is given? Center line you have to see carefully. Center
40.
40,
40.
40. It is 40. How much it is equal to?
136.
136.
136.
136. It is 136. It is 136. Okay. Now, what we have to do now? Dimensions we have calculated. Now we have to construct. What we have to construct first? Boxes or rectangles we have to consider. So that boundaries we will say boundary. Any problem in finding out dimension? कुणाला काय problem? ज्याला हे object समजेल, the person who is going to understand this object will understand any object. I will conclude here. ज्याला हे problem समजेल त्याला सगळे problem समजतील. It is very very simple. Many more things are there in this. Okay. Any
Sir.
problem? Calculate. हा.
सर लेंथ मधलं फर्स्ट 30 कुठलं घेतले?
Radius of cylinder. Why? Because middle part is starting from that center. इथे center line दिसते बघा. Cylinder like vertical आणि horizontal center line काढलेली आहे. मिडल पार्ट कुठून चालू झालेला आहे? सेंटर लाईन पासून. सिलेंडरच्या सेंटर पासून चालू झालेला आहे. इफ यू विल सी नाउ आय विल शो हियर. इन फ्रंट यू आर गोइंग टू सी मिडल पार्ट कुठून चालू झालाय बघा बरं. हियर यू कॅन सी केअरफुल. मिडल पार्ट. इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द मिडल ऑफ द सेंटर. मिडल ऑफ द सिलेंडर. सिलेंडरच्या मिडल पासून मिडल पार्ट चालू झालेला आहे म्हणून आपण हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर घेतला. हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर ऑफ सिलेंडर. एक लक्षात बघा. नॉट 60. व्हाय वी हॅव टेकन 30? हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर ऑफ सिलेंडर दॅट इज 30. दॅट्स व्हाय वी हॅव टेकन 30. त्याच्यापासून मग परत कुठला घेतला? सेमी सर्कलच्या सेंटर पर्यंत दिलं इथं 40. दॅट 40 आणि रिमेनिंग रेडियस ऑफ semicircle, it is 30 again. So likewise, so try to understand this. It is not in person, so I cannot show, but I will show how it is coming. Any problem? Length, width and height.
No sir.
No, sir.
Next now, we have to construct the boundaries of this. So in which quadrant front view is going to come?
Second.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant front view will come. So which two dimensions we are observing in front view? Length and
Length and height.
Height.
length and height. Okay. So how much length?
100.
100.
100.
So there is problem with scalar. So I will. Okay. How much height it is? How much height it is?
136.
136.
So 136 into 5. Will you tell me? I am taking 5 times the dimension. There is space problem. It will look very small. 136 into 5. Who will tell?
680.
6,
680.
8. Okay. It is coming like this. Just a minute. Huh. It may be. Okay. Then length. I have taken. It may come something like this. Huh? It may come something like this. असं येते का बघा बरं. After this, here there will be length. Okay. After that, what we have to do? After this,
Projection.
projection line. Either you can take projection line or what you have to do? Which two dimensions are observed in
Length and width.
Length and width.
length and width? How much width is there?
80.
80. Okay. So let us, I will take first projection. Maybe from here. I will make very close. Then length is our. Okay. How much width is there? 80. It may be little like this. Okay. It is up to this. Then what we have to do? After that, which two dimensions will be observed?
Width and height.
Width and height.
Width and
Height.
Height.
okay. Then our regular method we can take we have to draw arc. From here we can draw arc. From here we can draw arc. Okay. Dimensions are more. That's why it is very difficult. Huh? Up to this. Okay. Okay. So one each view we will complete first. Each view we will complete first now. So let us concentrate on front view. Let us concentrate on front view. Okay, so it will be something like this. So shall I give name front view? So which two dimensions will be observed, etc. So here there will be front view. Each view we have to draw. So let us concentrate on front view first. So it is front view. Simply. Okay. After that, origin. What about origin? Huh? So here, while selecting the origin, so that origin will not come directly on the object. Why? Because once you are going to draw a vertical line left towards from the left and from the bottom, at certain point origin will come. Okay, so it should not be exactly below the cylinder, center line of the cylinder. It should be at the one corner. So here I will check. So from here you have to draw vertical line, and from here you have to draw such horizontal line. Intersection of this will be the origin, something like this in this problem. Why? Because if at all we will locate the origin here at this point, okay, at this point, so it will go object will go out of the box. That's why we have to locate the origin something like this. We have to locate the origin in that way. Are you getting? So in this way we have to locate the origin. So one left from the left hand side vertical line, from the horizontal one line, in this way. Are you getting? So where will be the origin? In
Yes.
this way. Now let us go to the actual problem. So which things which are going to come? So once you are going to see the front view of the cylinder, so there are what will come? Let us draw the first front view of the cylinder. What it will come? Front view पासून बघता तुम्ही. Now just concentrate on the cylinder. So it is like this. So this is the object. Now just cylinder you are understanding the cylinder.
Yes.
So once you are going to see the cylinder from the front, so two circles are going to come. Are you getting? Two circles are going to come. That two circles you have to draw first. So but where is the center of that? Center कुठं असेल त्याचा? Where will be the center of that? Where will be the center? So before that, let us locate. Before that, let us locate origin. That is most important. So here there will be the origin for the front view. Oh, okay. For the front view, here there will be origin. Okay. Similarly, on same projector line, at the bottom, and where it will come for the side view. Side view साठी origin कुणीकडे येणार? Towards
Right. Right
towards
side.
right hand side. Towards right hand side in this way. Okay. Now front view. Now where I have to draw the circles? आता कुठं काढायचे circle? Where will be the center? O is with me. So vertical and horizontal. How much distance I should move and I have to draw circle? किती जायचं आता? किती diameter किती सिलेंडरचा आहे? What is the diameter of cylinder?
60.
60.
60. Then how much distance I should go horizontal and vertical to locate its center? किती जायचं?
30.
30.
30 horizontal 30 vertical 30 so that I will get its center. So horizontal 30 and vertical again
30.
30.
30, and then I have to draw two circles. Which will be the radius inside radius?
15.
Inside radius. Diameter is 30. So radius will be
15.
15.
10.
So 15. Okay, so 15. And what will be the outside radius?
30.
30.
So it will come something like this. Any problem up to this? It will come something like this in front view. So cylinders will come something like this. Are you getting? Now you
Yes.
have to concentrate. कुणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम? त्याच्यामध्ये काय झालंय? ओरिजिन इज आउट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओरिजिन हा ऑब्जेक्ट वरती नाही. इट इज कमिंग little away of the object. Why? If at all we are going to look it on object, because it is not the bottommost point of the object is not the extreme boundary. Still object will remain outside. That's why in this problem exceptional case is coming something like this. असं होतंय. Now I want to draw middle part. समजतंय का सगळ्यांना? Now I want to draw middle part. Okay. So once I am going to move vertically, how much distance I should move vertically? Vertical किती जावं लागेल? हा how much? What is the height of middle part? Yes, sir. So this I'm
40.
how much? Middle part now. It is something like this. Huh? Why you are not understanding? It is something like this. Circles we have drawn at the bottom. Two circles we have drawn. Now middle part we have to draw. This middle part. I want to draw this part now. येते का लक्षात? this part I want to draw, this middle part. Okay, something like angle shape, angular manner, that I want to draw. Okay, so from the center, how much distance from this line, how much distance I should move vertical? इथून वरती किती जावं लागेल हो मला? From this, how much distance I should go?
$36.
36 is correct answer. So after 2 minutes we will join the lecture. We will take break for 2 minutes. There is one issue. After 2 minutes you can take break for 2 minutes. After that we will join the same problem we will solve.